The wandering eye, what a pesky little thing. As a queer therapist, I know that there is two root systems to the wandering eye. The first one is learning how to tolerate top ramen. Just bear with me for a second. As we live in the closet, we are not allowed to be expressive, especially not to express our preferences, to be held, to be loved, to be known, to belong. And so what we end up doing is tolerating the life that we get to experience. It's almost like having your little top ramen in your hoodie and your comfy blanket. There's no other components to this world except being comfortable in the closet, and at least you get to enjoy your top ramen. And a lot of us put up with this. So that's root system number one. Root system number two is a very poor definition of relational intimacy, and that's not our fault. It is what is being taught to us. This definition says, Isaac, as you live in the closet, you're not allowed to be expressive, you're not allowed to be silly, you're not allowed to be loud and big and assertive and comfortable and creative. You're not allowed to bring your full, honest expression of your personality into the world. All you get to do is buffer and be small and silent. This training, this definition of relational intimacy is incredibly painful. In this context, we have also been taught by movies and media and by healthy relationships that relational intimacy should be big and buoyant and expressive and full of passion and creativity. We start to wonder, where is this version of relational intimacy that I was taught would exist? In this context, we will scan. We will have that wandering eye. I picked you, you're my partner, but I thought I was supposed to feel a little bit better than this. Who will see me and who will really invite me to be alive? We have the wandering eye. Oftentimes we blame ourselves for this, but really it's the training we received on the subconscious level in the closet. If this resonates with you, we have a workshop. It'll be in Denver, September 30th and October 1st. We're gonna break down life in the closet, developmental trauma, and then we're gonna do something profound. We're going to put your central nervous system in its self-repair mode with somatic breath work. We're going to give your body the ability to heal itself from all of this developmental trauma so that the wandering eye is a thing of the past. If you want to join, hit the link in our bio and register. There's an early bird deal going on. You don't want to miss this, I promise.